What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on Tuesdays. Yeah, today I'm not riding, but today, as you can see behind me, I'm at an event. So of course we're gonna do a walk around, take some pictures of some bikes, and guess what? I'm gonna throw the video up so you can check out the bikes, what people have done to their bikes. My bike is in the shop. And in case you don't know what's wrong with my bike, look at this picture on the screen. Yeah, I'm getting some work done to it. It'll be back out in a couple of weeks, but in the meantime, let's get around. Let's look at some of these machines. All right, got a Honda right here, 300. Got the Dual Sport, the man bike right there. Check it out. Got the Zook 600. Team Zook. Got the Yosh pipes. Man, look at this 1290 KTM. Woo. It's nice. Man got a Gixxer. What year is it, man? 2008. Oh, that's clean, bro. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. 2008. That's a nice looking bike. Check out this Ninja ZX 600. That's 636. You know, Maryland, they love the M4s in Maryland. Oh, look at this 750. Got the carbon fiber. Check it out. Nice. Nice and clean. Another Zook. Everybody got these 750s, it looks like. Got the Duck 959. Man, look at that helmet. That icon is nice. All right, looks like somebody been on the track. Honda 600. Got some adventure bikes out. Some cruisers. BMW. Oh, that's nice. Ride that all across the country. I know that's right. Check out Street Triple. I think somebody said, yeah, it looks like a bug on the front. Got the Ninja. Yo, man, this helmet's not hot. The helmet's not hot. A little hot. Nice, nice. 400. Nice, okay. Nice, nice.
Time for a starter.
That's right. That's right. You got to start somewhere. You got, look, and you doing it right. Got the Pack Talk Edge, Bode. Yeah, it's nice, nice.
It's a bike meetup, bro.
What's up, bro? What's going on? What's up?
You ain't ride today, huh?
Well, my bike getting some work done to it. Something to give it a little pop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Something. You know. Yeah. A couple of weeks I'll be out. Yeah.
You still gonna come out tomorrow?
No, I'm going out of town. So, yeah, it's gonna be packed tomorrow, though. It's gonna be packed tomorrow. I know it. Uh-oh, got a Kawasaki here. I mean, that's the ZXR, right? Yeah, ZXR. Check out the Moore Mafia. All right. That's a 1000. Nice, nice. Got the Triumph 765. What's happening, man? Man, what is up with these headlights and these headlights looking like bugs? Street triples. Check it out. It's about time to take that off the helmet. Is it hot? Not really? Okay. What year is it?
07.
07. Oh, that's a nice shape, man. Oh, I got the Leo Vince pipe. Check it out.
Yeah, I bought them with those on.
Huh?
I bought this with those on it.
Oh, did you? All right, cool. Nice, nice.
600 to 800 by themselves.
Yeah, yeah.
I bought the whole bike for 2,400.
Oh, yeah. You got
I
to.
wanted 45.
Oh, you got to steal. Yeah. You got to steal. Yeah. All right, nice. All right. Looks like somebody got a stunt bike here. Kawasaki, some ladies are riding. Hello. Oh, check it out. Got the R1. Got his brand new suit on. The bikes are coming in. H2. Got that ZX6. This looks all new. Everything looks new. Nice, man. It is. Nice. He got everything new. R1, whole Alpine suit, everything. Got the Shoei helmet. Nice. Got the 360 on the back. Nice. Got some Indian out. Another cruiser. Some cruisers, I don't know what they are, man. They don't have anything on them. I got to get my cruiser game together. Got the Harley Davidson. And as you can see, I forgot to mention this, with the Cycle Gear in Glen Burnie, Maryland. So it's a bike event. They cooking out on the grill for the bikers. See, I like that. My man right here said he only ride the speed limit. You know what I'm saying?
Entered in on the raffle yet? It's free to win a seat cover tonight, and then put you in for the national raffle on Thursday to win $1,500 in gift cards. Takes like 30 seconds. You scan that with your phone, fill out the form. Good to go, man.
All right, I'm about to do it. So question for you.
Yes, sir.
How often this event going on?
Once a month, second Tuesday of every month. It'll be
All
going
right.
until probably October.
All right, there you go. You got it. The man
Tuesday,
himself.
yes, sir.
Check out this Honda. And this you can ride all over the place and not get tired. Check it out. I was trying to say that was a Honda with the swing on. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Got the quad lock. Let's keep moving. Man, this BMW, this S1000. That is cold.
No, but that would make it be something. If they meet in public, it would be fuck out of the way.
Check it out.
I mean, that shit would have actually been
Nice. S1000 double R.
my dead mom's account after she died.
Kawasaki 650. That Cowie green. MT09. Another KTM. What y'all think about those headlights? Look like bugs, man. Man, look at the pipes. Changing colors. Clean 600. It's clean. Super dupe.
Yeah,
I heard you say you just started riding.
in July.
So which one is your bike?
Over there, beyond.
Oh, okay. What you get?
2006 R1.
Oh, okay. R1.
Not for, I had a Z400 for a while.
Oh, okay. So you're not new.
No.
Oh, okay. What you riding, man? Oh, you riding? Oh, okay. The 636. Okay. That's nice though. Nice and clean. What year is it?
This is 2013.
2013. Oh yeah, it's in good shape. Now, did you buy this brand new, or you bought it used? Okay. How long you had it?
Literally 3 months now.
3 months.
Yeah, bought it in the
Okay.
middle of winter. Got a good deal. 5,000.
Oh really?
With 5,000 miles.
Oh yeah, that's a good
Guy
deal.
was trying to move away. He's in the military.
Military cats do that all the time. You know, they like, I'm going to get some war money. I'll buy another bike when I come back. Oh, that's what's up. Oh, check it out.
Like slide in behind.
Man.
Actually give you the sound because when you take the slip one off and you
Check
leave
the
the
seat.
bread box, it doesn't make any sound. Really? Yeah.
How many horsepower?
From the factory, supposedly it cranks 127.
You said from the factory.
From the factory,
So, you done anything to it?
not yet.
Not yet.
Just cutting off the exhaust, making it a little bit more obnoxious to my poor neighbors, but.
Oh, yeah, your neighbor's going to love you, man.
Luckily, I'm on their good terms. I always make
Okay.
sure to, take good care of them, so they look past my foolishness.
Exactly. All right, nice, man. Look at this BMW. R1200. Man. I'm talking about going across country. Look at all the luggage. Nice. Got all type of protection if the bike drops. Check this out. Looks like my man been to Sturgis. Check it out. Harley Davidson. Rolling up in here. Man, these Harleys are nice. Check it out. Riding in luxury. Check my man out. Another Harley. What's up, man? Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Check that out. He talking about riding in comfort. I'm surprised you ain't having the music blasting when you can. Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's what somebody said. They said, I don't care how loud you play, you can't hear it.
You can't hear it.
Woo. All these glides, man. The dual bikes. Check it out. Alright, check that out. Man. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is a huge bike. Just a big bike. That's just riding in comfort. Just riding in comfort. Got the little passenger. Another Zook 750. Here's a little Honda 750. Old school. Check out the other side. And it's still early. It's gonna go until like 7 o'clock. So it's gonna be going on a while. The Vulcan. How do y'all feel about handlebars being up that high when you ride? Woo! It's a K1300S. It's a beauty. That is beautiful. Nice shadows standing in it. Nice. You hear some cars in the background. Usually you see motorcycles, you see cars. So right now, that's the lineup out here. Yamaha. Look at the bug headlights. Got some wrapping on his lights. We'll finish off right now with the Honda 600. Here they come. Some people coming in, cutting up. You always got somebody on a Grom. You know, bikers ain't been out in a minute, so they're excited. So this is the lineup right now. So if you're ever in Glen Burnie on the first Tuesday, make sure you come to the Cycle Gear. And you all, I don't know if you could pick that sound up in the back. Yeah, but the bikers are getting it. Some bikes just pulled in. Man, this is ZXR. Look at the paint. I don't know if the camera's picking that paint up. Check it out. That's like an H2 color scheme in there.
Thanks, bro.
Does it change color? It doesn't change color. Man, that rear tire is so fat. How you take the turns? Or this more for straight quarter mile? Oh, dude. Man, look at this tire. Huge. Check out the boost. You know I'm team boost. Another 750. But they be killing these bikes, man. Check these bikes. They be killing these bikes. Ain't no license tags on these things.
Out of India. Do he look old enough? Huh?
All senior citizens
Stop playing.
should ride India.
Stop playing.
I got a Harley in this. Oh, you had to bring that up.
Hey, hold on. Hold on. The white guys just can't get Indians a break, can they?
Oh man. Oh man.
That was good. That was a little good one. Come on.
I love it.
I know that's you, man. You better love it.
Which one you like best, the Indian or the Harley?
Well, if I'm going on a road trip, Harley.
Okay.
How long you had this?
Street glide. I just bought that a year and a half ago.
Oh, yeah?
It's used. It's an 18.
It's sitting low too.
Oh, it's nice, nice.
Factory except the handlebars. I put the mediums on.
Oh, yeah.
This is actually the bobber. So actually the bobber, the handlebars
Down,
down
man.
here. And I'm too old for that. I'm David.
David, always a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice, nice. The stories they tell. All right. Ladies pulling out. They from Virginia. Check her out, check her out. They got some ladies that ride. All right, YouTube, I'm here with Booster Keith. What's up? We about to sign off. Until next time, catch you